ain't got that. Honey, we ain't had that in over a year.
Hey, Kareful K's, Kareful Keith back in this bitch. Hey, you guys. So this is gonna be a video that's gonna have several different parts to it. I'm gonna be trying the mac and cheese from a couple different restaurants. First restaurant we're at is good old Chik-Fil-A. We're sitting here doing the curbside delivery, so they should be bringing my order out here soon. I just recently left from the pet store getting some more stuff for my aquarium. So yeah, hope you guys are doing pretty good today. And like I said, this is gonna be a video that has several different parts to it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all of them today or if it's gonna take me some time to get all three parts done, because I have three restaurants in mind to get mac and cheese from. Like I said, we're starting at Chik-Fil-A. I can tell you the second one is going to be Popeyes, and damn, we might do 4. I just thought about another restaurant. Okay, so I just thought of another restaurant, so it might end up being 4. Now, clearly, I'm not going to be able to eat 4 things of mac and cheese in one damn day. No. We're not going to be able to do that. Might not even be able to do 2. You know what? Screw it. I'm going to go to Popeyes, because Popeyes isn't far from here. And we'll at least do 2 today, and we'll just get around to doing the other ones. Maybe I can do a third one later today, because it's still fairly early. It's 11 in the morning, so I can possibly do the other 2 this evening, right? So we'll see. Maybe this will be one video I can do all in one day. We will see. And we'll just go from there. I think this is my mobile order. Oh, maybe not. She just set it on the counter. So yeah. I will see you guys in the good old next clip. Peace. Listen, y'all, they got a sign that say be back soon. I swear to God. Yes, ma'am. I want to get a side order of... Oh, shit. Do they even have it? Do you guys have macaroni and cheese?
We ain't got that. Honey, we ain't had that in over a year.
Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. Well, I appreciate it then. You have a good one.
Thank you.
All right. Well, I guess we can scratch Popeyes off of the list. Popeyes doesn't have mac and cheese, so I guess we're gonna have to do KFC and Church's Chicken. So one got ruled out by default. I can't buy shit that they don't sell anymore. She said they haven't had it in over a year. Okay, well, you see how this video is starting off, but hey, at least we got it from Chik-Fil-A, so you good. Just go ahead and drive across the curb, bro. It's just grass. Shit, it'll be alright. It is just grass. I swear to God, that's all it is. So now we're at good old Captain D's. I think they sell mac and cheese here. Let's see, sides. Yep, they got mac and cheese here. So that'll be 2. So yeah. Oh, and I know y'all probably saying, what's on your shirt? It's CC. It's CC. Who's CC? That's me. It's CC. Hey, it's CC. Hey, CC gang. She probably gonna kick my ass. She probably gonna kick my ass. And I'm trying to keep the air down low, but like, y'all, let me tell you, it's hot as fuck. It is. Especially under this damn hat. I don't have no haircut, so I said it's gonna be a hat day. Yep, that's what I said. Yes, sir. Can I get a side order of mac and cheese?
A side order of what, sir?
Macaroni and cheese.
Anything else, sir?
No, sir. That's it.
It's gonna be $2.95.
Thank you, sir. So $2.95 from Captain D's for their macaroni and cheese. Yeah, this video is about to be all over the fucking place. I got a feeling. I feel it. Y'all wanna know something I just thought about? I was just thinking I could have honestly ate my damn Chick-Fil-A mac and cheese while I was waiting at Captain D's drive-thru. Damn. Fine time to think about it now, huh? I'm at the window now, so much for that. Okay, y'all, so we're back now and we're gonna do this good old review. Remember, we went to KFC. We went to Chick-fil-A first. I also got some lemonade from Chick-fil-A. So, Chick-fil-A, you didn't put no fork in the bag. Come on, Chick-fil-A. How you expect me to eat macaroni with no fork? Damn. Chick-fil-A, do better. But that's okay. That's okay. Can I do another thumbnail? Ooh, my teeth feel dry. Okay. Hopefully. Oh, we're good. It's two of them in here from Captain D's. Okay. This was $3 at That don't even make no damn sense. I don't know how much this one was from Chick-fil-A, but look at that. It's all like it looks like it's really been baked in the oven. Do you see it? Look at that. I'm gonna come get in the camera so you can see, get a close up of it. Look at Chick-fil-A's. Look at that. Look at that. Does that not look freaking amazing? And then here's Captain D's. Chick-fil-A. Captain D's. Chick-fil-A. Captain D's. All right, let's try them, you guys. I don't have to try the lemonade. I already know the lemonade is bomb. Gassy. That's good like always. Okay. We're gonna try Captain D's first. It's kind of stiff. Smells decent. It's not bad. It could use some salt and pepper. More so pepper. That's not bad. I would say out of a scale from 1 to 10, I would give it a 4. Oh shit, I guess a 4 is bad on a scale from 1 to 10. Huh? Well, let's try this good old Chick-fil-A. Hold on. This is real motherfucking macaroni and cheese, baby. Look at this. Hold on. This don't need shit added to it. I could stand a little pepper in this. I'm good. Listen, KFC, damn, Chick-fil-A. Y'all outdid yourself. This goddamn macaroni and cheese is bumping, baby. I don't know who y'all got back in the kitchen baking this shit up, but this is good. I wonder how much this shit was. Now I'm gonna eat both of them because I spent my damn money on it, and this shit was $3, so I'm gonna eat it because it's not horrible. But if I had some seasoning, yeah. It doesn't taste real. I know that probably sounds crazy, like it doesn't taste real, but it's like the cheese is, it kind of has the consistency of like the nacho cheese that you get if you go like get nachos, whether it's my fish are fighting, but it kind of has that consistency of nacho cheese like you get when you get nachos at like a sporting event, or if you go to like a gas station, truck stop, and get the nacho cheese out of the machine. It kind of has that kind of cheese consistency. But like I said, for $3, I'm gonna eat this shit. See, look, that's what the cheese is like. Yep, like the nacho cheese. But this Chick-Fil-A, oh baby, look, it ain't got this shit in there. This shit is literally like homemade, y'all. Do you hear me? Like I said, I don't know who in the fuck they got in the back of Chick-Fil-A with an oven making this shit up, but this is a slam dunk. Now, if they were open on Sundays, I would swing by Chick-Fil-A to get this, to go with whatever else I'm cooking for dinner. I sure would. Mm-hmm. Yep. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 Well, you guys, that's my review for this one. This one is a 4. This one is a motherfucking 10. This one is 10 times 10. Chick-fil-A, y'all on to some shit. We still got 2 more places to go to, y'all. We got KFC and Church's Chicken. And like I said earlier, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do them all on the same day. So just in case y'all see me, it's a different outfit. But I am going to do them. So until the next clip, when we're pulling up at either KFC or Church's Chicken. See you guys. Hey y'all, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Peace!